triangles. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing the topic Pythagoras theorem. There are three theorems in this topic you can see on the screen.
One is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem we proved, and before that a small theorem. Using that theorem we proved Pythagoras theorem, then the reverse of Pythagoras theorem, and we were discussing some of the questions related to Pythagoras theorem. And today also we will continue that, some exercise related to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we start with this question. BL and CM are medians of a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC right angled at A. Prove that 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 into BC square. Okay, so we want to prove this. Okay, so picture is not given. So first we want to draw a picture. So a right triangle with angle 90 degree, right angle at A. Right triangle with right angle at A. Name is ABC. So we can draw like this. So we can give name. A should be at 90 degree. Okay, ABC. So ABC is a right triangle, 90 degree angle at A, and BL and CM are medians. Okay, so BL. So BL means from the vertex B, we want to draw a median to the opposite side. Opposite side is CA. So CA's midpoint, that is L. So BL is one of the median, and another median is CM. CM from vertex C to the opposite side AB. We want to draw a median. So name is CM. So this point will be M. Okay. So we have drawn the picture. Now we want to prove this result. So look, 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 into BC square. So how we can prove? Here we don't use any similarity idea, but Pythagoras theorem enough. So how many right triangle can you see?
3 right triangle.
3 right triangle, right? So simply apply the Pythagoras theorem in the small triangles, small right triangles inside the large one. Then after applying the Pythagoras theorem, just adding or subtracting or something, you will reach in the result. Okay, so first small triangle, triangle AMC. Apply the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. What will you get? AMC is a right triangle, right?
AM square plus square.
BC square equal to CM square.
Yes. Okay, we can start from CM. CM square is equal to AM square plus
AC square.
right? Because in triangle AMC, angle A is 90 degrees, so that is a right triangle, and MC is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the side opposite to 90 degree. Okay, and next right triangle, what is the name? Small right triangle.
ALB.
LB.
Okay, ALB or ABL. Okay, so apply the Pythagoras theorem here.
BL square is equal to
BL square is equal to
AL square plus
AB square.
okay, AL square plus AB square, or AB square plus L square. Okay, and now here we will substitute something. So we know BL is the median drawn. Median. BL is the median. So the median will bisect the opposite side, right? Median will bisect the opposite side. So what is the relation between AL, this length, and this AC? What is the relation?
Half.
Half, right? Half. So we can write AL is equal to half AC, right?
AC.
Right. Yes. L will be the midpoint of AC. So median is the line joining midpoint of a side and opposite corner. So L is the midpoint. So we can write AL is equal to half AC. Similarly, AM, how we can write AM?
M equal to half A.
Half A.
AB.
Half AB. So these two we can substitute in this Pythagoras theorem. So CM square is equal to AM. AM we can substitute this value here. AM is equal to half AB. So half AB square. half AB square plus AC square. Okay, then in right side, BL square is equal to AB square. So AB square we write same. Then plus AL square, we can substitute this half AC the square. Okay, now you expand this middle term. Okay, so CM square is equal to half AB square. What will come?
1 by 4 is
1 by 4 AB square will
AB.
come. Or in other terms, we can say AB square by 4, right? AB square by 4. Half AB means FE by 2, AB by 2. So give square for numerator and denominator separate. So AB square by 4 will come. Plus,
Sir, how will AB square by 4 come?
okay, look here, half into AB. This is like this, half into AB all square. So half into AB, inside the bracket, we can write AB by 2 all square, right? So we know a fraction square is numerator square by denominator square. It's AB square by 2 square. So AB square by 2 square is 4. So AB square by 4, that is how we written here. Okay. So AC square, then in right side, how it will come? BC square is equal to
AB square plus 1 AC square.
AB square
by
plus
AC square
AC
by
AC
square by 4.
by 4.
AC square by 4. AC square by 4. Okay. In left side, we can, in right side, we can add this fraction into the other number. So what will come? CM square is equal to, you add this. You can take by 1, then add.
AB square plus
AB
4
square
AC
plus
square
4
by
AB square plus
4 AC square by
4 AC square. Okay. 4 AC square by 4.
4.
4.
In right side,
AB square
4 AB square
4 AB square plus
4 AC
AC
square
square.
plus AC
Plus
square
AC square
by
by
4.
by 4.
So now by 4 you take to left side. So you will get it 4
4
CM square is equal to AB
AB
square
square
plus
plus 4 AC square.
4 AC
4 AC
square.
square.
So we give number 1. And right side, 4 you move to left. So 4 BC square is equal to 4 AB square plus AC square. Okay. Now you compare 1 and 2. What we have to do to reach in the given statement, given equation? So what we have to do with this? The question.
add
Right? Adding 1 and 2 will reach in the given result. Okay, I shall do here. Okay, so equation number 1 plus 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. What will you get? LHS and LHS, what will come?
4
4
CM square plus B square
4 CM square plus 4 BL square
is equal to
yes, AB square plus
4 AC square
4
plus
AC square plus
4 AB square plus
4 AB square plus AC square. Okay, now you add LHS. 4 we can take outside the bracket, right? So how will come in LHS?
4 CM square plus BC square.
CM square plus BL. So, okay, BL. Okay, so CM square plus BL square. Addition is commutative, so I just turn it. So BL plus CM inside the bracket. So in the given statement it is like so. Okay, is equal to, in right side you look AB square and 4AB square. Adding these two you will get 5AB square. 5AB square. Then plus 4AC square and 1AC square. So
5 AC square.
5AC square. So here 5 is common. So take outside the bracket. So inside the bracket it will be AB square plus AC square. AB square plus AC square. So what will come? AB square plus AC square. What is AB square plus AC square?
BC square.
BC
square, right? AB in large triangle, in triangle ABC, that is also a right triangle. Triangle ABC is also a right triangle. In that larger triangle, BC is the hypotenuse. So BC square will be AB square plus AC square. So we apply that here. So we will get 5 into BC square. AB square plus AC square, we can substitute BC square for that. So we reach the result, right? 4 into BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 into BC square. Okay. I think this is very simple, right? So after drawing the picture, we identified two small right triangles. In those two right triangles, we applied Pythagoras theorem. So we got two equations. After reaching this two equation, we want to compare what we have to do with these equations to reaching the given result. So look here, by adding, we reached in the result. Okay.